Okay, users uses. See, this is giving current to working directory. Next, statistics. Used for statistical calculation. Import statistics. Okay, you're going to import statistics and numbers is equals to you're going to give the numbers here. Numbers, whatever the numbers like whatever you need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that you're going to give. And later print of statistics dot mean of numbers. The print statistics dot mean of numbers. Okay, you want the mean. So you by using statistics you're going to do mean. That is import OS. And now see I want to import statistics here. Statistics. Statistics. Next statistics. Import statistics. Then print what you're going to print the statistics from statistic, right? Statistics. But what you're going to do? Mean. You're going to do mean. Before that, you're going to give a number like numbers is equals to in a square bracket give some numbers comma 20 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 I'm going to give. This is how mm, it was statistics. Yes, I was written okay. I should give numbers like the argument. I pass numbers. Okay? Numbers. Am I doing correct? Correct ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಾ? Yes, mean average ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30 ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ. 10 plus 20 ಎಷ್ಟು 30 30 plus 30 60 60 plus 40 ಎಷ್ಟು 100 100 plus 50 150 150 divided by 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 ones are 5 5 threes are so answer is 30 okay statistics ಹೀಗಾಯ್ತು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ this is the example program number 1 import math ನ ನಾವು math module ನ import ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ next number is equals to 81 see one integer we are given and print of math module dot function okay math module dot function and then number okay same like this only okay the square root function see square root function calculates square root of a number okay it will calculate the square root of a number we'll see that also see I'll change here only import I'm going to import math here math and then numbers is equals to numbers number is equals to 81 I'll give and then here see here do change to the module name okay module name should be here and dot after that dot you should give sqrt okay I'm finding the square root of a number so okay see print of math dot sqrt of number I given will find the square root function what it will do it will find the square root of a number that is 81 so the square root of 81 is 9 right yes, yes we have got that and next program see this is the simple program import random we are importing and print of random dot Randit is a function. Here, see, generates a random integer. Randint means what? It will generate random integer between 1 to 100. Okay, we are given the range. Okay, 1 to 100. 1 and 100. Between 1 and 100, we have given range. So it will print random integer. Okay, we'll try that. Just make it comment. Now import random here. Import random. Import random. Then mm, give, okay, like print of random dot randit. Print of random dot randint of 1 comma 100. Okay, like this. If you are going to give, we'll see what we will get. 93. A random integer will be printed. That is what, right? We have seen. Yeah, see, import random, print random integer. If we use random, it will print a random integer between the range 100, between 1 and 100. Okay. And next, this is the example program 3, that is from math. Okay, from math module, import factorial function. Then print factorial of 5. I have shown already. See factorial, how to find factorial. See 5 into like n minus 1. Okay, like that. 5 into n minus 1 means n minus 1 means 5 minus 1, that is 4. Like that, you should multiply 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. If we multiply all this, we are going to get 120. This is how the factorial. Okay, this is another example program. Import math or hem. Okay, in short name. Okay, sometimes module names will be longer and you can make it shorter, you can give it a shorter name. That is, import math has m. Radius is equals to 7. Area is equals to m dot pi star radius star radius. Okay, import math has m. Radius is equals to 7. Area is equals to, each time you can use this short name, that is m dot pi star. Okay, if you want to find the area of a, okay, if you want to find the area, you should use pi radius, that is pi r square. Okay, print of area. This is how you're going to print the area of a circle. Uses the value of pi. Okay, it pi, it uses a pi to calculate the area of circle, right? We know the area of circle formula, pi r square. Same way, you should give the radius and you should give the formula here, area, and for that you should use this m with a dot extension. Then if you do, you are going to get. Let us do that. See, I'm just going to change here. Import math. Okay, import math as m. Okay, import math as m. Whole module is imported here, and then give here. Yeah, I'll just give radius now. Next radius we have to give. Radius is equals to 7 only. I'll give. Then print here only, right? The print of here m. Maybe print is equals to or print of only. I forgot, right? No, area formula we should write, right? First, area is equals to formula we should give m dot pi means pi in small pi star. Okay, star multiplication pi r square. So r, now r star r. Can I give R? I don't know. R radius. Fully I should mention. Why? Because I've given fully, right? Radius. So I should give here radius. Okay, radius variable. Then radius is how. Okay. And next, I want to print, right? I want to print. I want to print the area. Print of m dot. Um, can I give m dot area or print of area only? Let me see. If I print that, I'll get something that is the radius. I'm getting area. Area is 153.9380 something like that. This is how we need to execute. Okay, this is for how to execute, how to calculate the area of the circle. And next is program 5. See, import statistics I have said you, and this is the marks and print statistics dot mean. Okay, to calculate the mean of the marks, average. Okay, calculate the average. That is mean of the marks list. This is same as previous example. Yeah, once we have done. And these are the practice programs to you people to solve. Okay, once we'll take all the practice programs and we'll do at one session. Now this is all the practice programs for you people. I have said you, yeah, I'm a beginner still. I want you people also to practice if you are a beginner and you want to learn Python genuinely. See, create your own module. Okay, module creation is very easy, right? Module, it is a Python file. Module is nothing but it is a Python file. It will have a functions, okay, and executing code like that and all. It will contain. And instead of creating okay, instead of creating a one file to store entire thing, you can divide it into multiple files. Okay, to be make clean. Okay, to look clean, organized, and reuse. So those are called modules here. Okay, we have learned about modules, and now we are going to the next topic. The major thing is packages. Okay, importing packages is very important. Even in Java, we use packages. Okay, each time we want a packages there. If already packages are installed, no need. But packages are very important in both Java and Python.